Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back to a new video. I just want us to do a some of reaction videos, or some of reaction rather, to many comments. I'm not going to pick all the comments, but the important one, the one that I feel that is worth responding, I'm going to respond it on this video this morning, because I've got series of comments, and some of the comments are, some are questioning, some are just for clarification. And I got a comment from someone that I don't normally, receive any comment from her. She contacted me asking some questions based on the video that I made, and she appeared on that question. So this is my response to you, Presence Odohani. You said that you gave me 7 days to hear from me. Although I commented already on the video, initially I did not know that the video that you are commenting on is actually the video that you are letting complain about. So you said this. Let me read your message. Mr. Kai, this is Presence Odohani. You showed me on the video on which you ran your commentary. Are you alleging that I belong to the group of people that took 21 million and are under the harbor of Van? I am giving you 7 days to respond, after which I will take the next step. So I watched the video again. It is obvious that I was not addressing you. Your name was not mentioned, and the video you are talking about is actually somebody that I played her voice from the different government cabinet that laid that allegation that a lady called Shoma, whom I don't know, and some people and most of the women that are, I believe, that based in US and some part of Europe, was alleged they collected money from Southeast governors. First of all, you are not even a cabinet member. You are not in any leadership group. At best of my knowledge, maybe you are, and I don't know. So the video is not about you. That your image appear on the screen, where I took recorded videos of Ogenkere's platform where they're having a meeting, and you happen to be there. The video is not about people in that video. So people who they say that they allege that they collected 21 million from governors happened in the past. None of the women you saw in that video, including you, are part of the people that allege that collected money. So I don't know where you got this notion of me alleging that you collected 21 million. Maybe you are not seeing some animosity about me. Maybe you don't like what I'm doing. Maybe because I'm not siding Ogekere, and that is why you want to look for a way to lay hand on anything and come after me. So this is to clear that notion. It's not for you, and I don't have it in mind. I never for once commented on you. Do you understand it? So I think that one is clear. And if you have any other question about it, reach out to me. But she's not the only one that have come after me in terms of making comment and all that. Why I'm clearing this, because now ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị that na ife eji atụpụta nkịta agbere egosi ya bụ ka ha beji akọ na atụrụ ya mbọ. So this is the reason why I am writing on that. And another person that is here is this person called Don Wapali. Wapali said, Kai report, are you... Wapali said, Kai report, you people are criminals trying to stop Biafra from coming, but you people failed. And I don't know who he is before, until I made a comment and asked him, what do you mean by that? Because I want to know on what area in that video that made you think that I am here to commit crime, or that I'm a criminal, that I have not stolen anything from you. I have not collected any money from anybody. If we are to judge people by what they said or what they comment, for example, many of you will be in problem, because one, nobody have ever paid me 1 naira, not even a fathom. Nobody. From Ogenkere group, from CCS, nobody. The only people that are trying to lure me to that group is Ogenkere people. That's not the fact. Just like when I started, I got some messages, contact Chiamaka. I don't know who the person. I cannot tell you that Chiamaka contacted me, because I don't know who is behind the comment. Do you understand? So I decided to keep quiet. Why? Is because I don't want to venture into something that I don't know, that I cannot justify, something that is not clear to me. I'm not the kind of person that like to, cambulos on Efe. I always want to stay back and see how the whole thing works. And that does not mean that I don't have right to air my opinion in issues that concern Biafrans. Do you understand it? So some of you will say, oh, you don't want to, why don't you do this, why don't you do that? There's a reason for that. My response to you, I'm not going to read it here because it's already in the comment section. I believe you have seen that. So the reason why I'm bringing it here is because you have refused to answer the question. You keep on saying a different thing from what you have from your initial comment, because you introduce yourself further and say that you are the guy that contacted me so time and so time, and I know where you say you are committing from, so which I'm not going to say in this video. But if you are going to watch this video, I still need clarity on that, because you cannot just come on my platform and say that Kai report, you people are criminals trying to stop Biafra from coming, but you people failed. My question to you, because I was thinking that you actually that you understand what is going on. Maybe you are pretending to understand the job that CS is doing, but on a second thought, you are in to get some information, to filter information from me. But I'm not the kind of person. What I say in the secret is what I will say in the open. I don't have anything hidden. If I tell you yes off camera, I'm gonna tell you yes on camera. So don't get it twisted. Now, I need clarity on that, because you cannot just say that and ignore it. I don't expect him to ignore it just like that. Okay? Then we have another comment here. And this person, okay, this person said this. This is from Ngozi Godfrey. Ngozi Godfrey said, why is his followers COS causing you sleepless night? Okay, replying to somebody. But the main comment that I want to respond to is this one, who said this is a clear evidence that you are working for Nigeria. Talking to me, Ngozi Rabeze is not Biafrans. Biafrans are more than Ngozi or Rabeze. You are weak to all. I don't know what you mean by I am weak, but the part that I actually want to respond is this part that says that evidence of working for Nigeria. It is easy for people to always find a way to organize their fellow brothers and sisters, and that is a very big problem. If you listen to some of people that followed COS, Ngozi Rabeze, that listen to her, that believe in her, they believe that Ogenkere and the group have collected money. If you listen to Ogenkere group, they also believe that people that listen to follow COS collected the money. At the end of the day, who collected the money? And I'm going to tell you this for free. I don't think that some of the people that you claim, that we all say that they collected money from Nigerian government, collected money. Some are acting based on what they want to get from those who are facilitating that idea. For example, it is not clear to say that, I don't think it is right thing to say that Sonat Barawa, for example, collected money from Nigerian government. I don't believe that. But I believe that the tendency of him collecting money from Azai Ayog is there. I'm not saying that I verified. I said tendency. The probability of him making money from Azai Ayog is there, because the guy seems to be a cheerful giver. A cheerful giver, not that he's humanitarian, no, but a cheerful giver in terms of using money to figure out to get what he wants. So there's this type of a cheerful giver or a philanthropist. It's not that he's a philanthropist, he's just using money to buy his way out, that kind of thing. That's what I can see from him. That's what I can feel. This is not me telling you that I have evidence of him transacting any money, because some of you are eager to see who you are going to report in your shrine, on your altar. But if you want to do it, make sure that your hands are clean. Because I'm not that I don't. If you watch my videos very, very well, I don't accuse anybody. What I do here is basically reaction video, and reaction video is being done this way. You can only you air your own opinion. You are not dictating or predicting. You are not, creating an agenda. But what you see is what you analyze. If I see that you are the way you are with it, for example, that Mr. A is keeping late, I can only analyze based on the people, based on the fact that I can see that he's keeping late. But what he do or what the person normally do outside in the night, for example, I cannot come out and tell you that he's doing this, though he's keeping late, but this is what he do when he's outside. This is what he do when he's outside, when he's not at home. Because I'm not there. You focus on what you are seeing. Some of you, when you hear people discussing something that is on social media, they are not the one that initiated it. You will jump in and start saying a different thing altogether. Oh, you are attacking this. Yeah, like the one that another comment, I did not bring it here, that says that you guys are attacking men on ground. You are attacking men on ground. If any man on ground believe that this kind of video, what I'm doing here is attacking the Different Liberation Army, that's a lie. Because what you are doing here, I believe that many other Biafrans do the same thing, is to aid opinion based on what is going on social media, like what is happening. What did you do? That thing that you did, that is very obvious that you did it. It's not as if that you created something that pretend that somebody is doing this. For example, when Commander Holy Ghost normally broadcast, people begin to question him. The background where you're making the video, that they hear children's noise from the background. Is that an attack? That's not an attack. That's an obvious reason. That truly when you watch the video, you hear some people talking on the background. So, if you can only say that it's an attack when somebody say that, I think that you are in your house without any evidence. But in the video, you can hear the children, you can hear the noise of children. For example, I'm giving you an example. So, when people comment on that, don't see it as an attack on men on ground, because that is what the video is all about. When you listen to the video, truly he passed his message, but in the background, people have right to share what they see or what they hear on that video. If I'm here now, like if you are listening to me now, or if you are gonna watch the video later, and you are watching the video, and all of a sudden you are now hearing noise, like maybe it sounds like if I am in a zoo or I am close to zoo. Maybe you start hearing, a cry of a lion, a giraffe, horse. Maybe you can hear chimpanzee making some noise that you normally hear in the zoo. Then you have every right to say that you think that I am a zookeeper, or I am working in the zoo, or I am always close to zoo to make my video. So is that an attack on me? No. That is what the video says. So it left for me to clear air. Look, my people, it is not true. The voice you're hearing is actually coming from my television. That I normally put this social channel when I'm recording video, when I'm streaming live. You don't need to see it as an attack. But why people always focus on you're attacking men on ground, you're attacking men, is because they're looking for a way to create problem of fear or threats, to shut their mouth. But because they are not man enough, or they are not proud of what they're doing, they will look for a way to create that kind of Mr. A and Mr. B start fighting, so that they will feel relaxed. Every reaction video is like that. You don't just expect people to react. Something has happened that made people to react. So when you are reacting on that, you that is maybe is not in your favor, don't see it as an attack. It's now your duty to clear air. I love the way, like this our sister that called me, that said I should get back to her. Why? Is because normally, assuming that I did not see the comment, she would have believed that truly I was attacking her, that I don't have anything to back it up or something like that. But that is not for her. Now she decided to get back to me to hear from me. That's a very good thing. Not you concluding that this person is attacking me, is attacking us. Now, another person, this comment is from Samuel Chukuma, said, Mr. Kai, I want you to know that this man who claimed to be Ross is a cabal. Answer him. Okay, he said, answer him. I believe you want to say ask him. Who leaked a conversation of Simon Ekpa to the enemies? To a camp, that is talking about the same Ross. He said, camp Ross is cabal. I don't know what they mean by that. Supporting their APM, that's the acting prime minister of Ogenkere, because of peanuts. Believe me, this thing that playing has been that is playing has been online, waiting, and opportunity presented itself. Their APM has been working to remove EKPA secretly. Question is, how did Musa now know the camp of some commanders if someone did not leak to them? To weak COS Ngozi after month. This man never loved the Biafran struggle. He is only after money. If he loves Biafran, he will clear from politics of the government and face his work he is employed to do. Now, this kind of comment here is from a random individual. Yes, you may say that this is an attack, that he's attacking commander. But the problem is that he's not using his platform to make a comment. He just made a comment as a consensus. So if I got a comment like which I normally get comment like this, some actually say that my phone and my laptop was purchased by Ngozi Oraveze. They forgot. Some of them know that I have been broadcast before even Ngozi or CS, started leading as she's leading now. So when I see comment like this, I will just ignore that because I know the truth. It is different from when you bring your platform and begin to hammer on somebody like that. Then you may say it's an attack. But if you are not a troublemaker, you also make a video to respond to the person, clear air, and you don't need to start threatening lives. If any was in the bike, I will threaten of life. Everybody, including those on comment section, they enjoy when maybe Mr. A begin to threaten Mr. B, and Mr. B replying with a threat. That's what give them joy. But you don't know who you are threatening. You don't know the person, but you want to threaten. You want to show that your voice is being heard. It is wrong. It is a very, very bad thing. So if you are one of the people who actually believe that I collected money, that I'm a saboteur, I am this, I'm that, what do I know about the movement that I'm sabotaging? I don't know anything about it. I'm not even in the government. I'm not in any secret meeting. What I know is what on social media. Me earning my own opinion as a citizen, as a Biafran, as an Igbo person, is I have every right to do that. Even if I decide to react on Oduduwa movement, for example, I have right because I can only react on what they themselves brought out. If I begin to leak their secret meeting, that one is a sabotage. Then they can now come after me or reply me or show me and warn me. Don't do it again. You know, that kind of thing is understandable. But this idea of don't talk unless we say you should talk. How dare you to talk when we are not permitted to talk, when we have not permitted you to talk? That is a very, very bad idea. Now, another person said, arrange video. Ngozi Oraveze is not following PM Foundation in the Biafran Charter. Why not talking against Deputy Prime Minister Ngozi Oraveze? This person, is trying to. I don't know if he's a man or a woman, okay, but the person is trying to present his own statement or her own statement as if I don't bother whatever CS do. I will always give her pass mark, like go on. It's a lie. If I see any negative thing from CS, I will call it out. I made a video that I don't support her going to Dr. Damage's platform or that interview. I am one of the people that made it, not only me, many people, not, I don't make it to threaten her or calling her names. No. I pleaded that she will not go there. I pleaded to her, don't go there, because if you go there, it's of no use. It will bring more harm than good. Dr. Damages is a very old media person now. But the problem is that his platform is not even as wider as his time, as the time that he has spent on social media. Like, he has been here for some time. When you check his performance on social media, it does not correspond to the years that he has spent. This is not me mocking him. I'm not mocking him. What I'm trying to say is that it depends on what he loves to talk about. He loves to talk about making joke or making fun, cracking joke of people's problem, not providing solution or questioning the status quo. He used his platform just to repeat what people already know. Like, we all know that Nigeria is not working. We all know that the economy cannot progress or improve anytime soon. We all know that they cannot get it right when it comes to the electoral process. We all know that corruption cannot leave them. It's not possible. And he chose to invite individuals on his platform to ask questions that have been answered, even if he understands that it's not possible. But he keep on repeating it as if giving false hope. So it will get a point that people will fed up, will be like, he said this last year. People came to his platform promised heaven on earth, and progress was guaranteed. But we are not seeing anything like that now. So what is going on? They will fed up watching that. This could be one of the reasons. I'm just highlighting that this could be one of the reasons. There may be many other reasons. So it's not my duty to keep highlighting those. I just release one for you to my own opinion. Okay, you may have your own opinion as well. But everything that people are saying about me, some of them don't watch my video, because when I made that video, it's not the support of decision of CS by going to or propose to go to Dr. Damage's platform, but it is just a kind of me giving my honest advice. Do you understand? Give my honest advice. Another person said this. Let me read the last comment before we end this video. He says, Ogenkere and Co. are the real freedom fighters. Lying against them is proof that you are one Nigerianist. Me, that I'm lying against Ogenkere. And that proves that I am a one Nigerianist. Okay. Can he tell me where I lied against Ogenkere? I mean, if you want to criticize me objectively, bring that thing that you know that I said against Ogenkere or about Ogenkere. That to you is a lie. You don't believe it. Always highlight it on your. When you are putting a comment like this, remind me, quote, you said this, you said this, you said that in this video that bears this title. Or you can even bring the link. Okay? Or go to the video himself that you said that I lied. Comment there. I will still see it. The best way to call my attention is you, maybe your own platform, make a video and put at my channel name. I will get the notification that somebody called me out. There's a place for that on YouTube. I will go there. Anybody that called me on their platform that tag me, I will see it. That's the best way to call my attention. If you don't want to use my email that is on description videos, all my videos, go to their description. In that description, you see an email. There you can also reach out to me. But the only thing you need to understand is that I don't often go to the email. But once I see email, if I have a notification, I will see it. If you want me to, if you want to call my attention on maybe on anything at all, don't rely on comment, because comments, you are not the only one commenting. A lot of people are commenting. Maybe if I skip your comment, you say, oh, he's too proud of himself, or he don't want, that kind of thing. That's not true. I'm not like that. So everything you want to criticize me, go on and do that, but do it with reason, facts, and figure. Don't act like Jews. Oh, he's a criminal. He's a criminal. Where is the evidence? We don't have evidence, but we know the way his face looks like, he looks like a criminal. The way he smiles like a criminal. The way he laughs like a criminal. The way he walks like a criminal. That kind of statement. That's not an evidence, and you need to stop that. Anyway, my people, I just want to use the opportunity to highlight those comments. There are many other comments. If I skip your own, if your own is like that, I did not bring it here. Okay, I'm sorry about it. Maybe you can repeat it again. Then I will still, if I gather enough comment like this, I will do a video to respond to them. Your question or your comment, if it's worth responding. But if you are the kind of people that always like to attack and argue, blindly, I don't have time for that. Thank you, my people. Before you go, like this video and share it. Comment and tell me what you think about those comments that I just read out for you. Do you think that some of those things they said is true or not? If you say true, explain. If you said not, they're not, then I understand. Because to me, these are just lies and they're trying to drag me for nothing. God bless you, my people, and see you again. Take care.